In a lush and vibrant forest, where the trees danced with the wind and the birds sang melodies, lived a small community of creatures. Among them was a peculiar creature named Mr. Leech. Mr. Leech was unlike any other. He was a leech, a parasite, who lived by attaching himself to other creatures, absorbing their precious energy, and growing stronger at their expense. One day, Mr. Leech found himself attached to a beautiful butterfly named Bella. Bella was the most vibrant creature in the forest, her wings shimmering with the colors of the rainbow. Seeing Bella's vitality, Mr. Leech thought, "This will be an excellent meal." He began to drink Bella's life essence, little by little, day by day. Bella, once so lively, started to wilt. Her wings lost their vibrancy, her movements became sluggish, and she could no longer fly. The other creatures noticed and were concerned. Who or what is causing Bella's distress, they wondered. They searched high and low, but it was Mr. Leech who was the culprit. "Mr. Leech, you must stop," cried the animals. "You are causing harm to others, and it is wrong." Mr. Leech, realizing the error of his ways, felt a deep sense of guilt. He detached himself from Bella and promised never to live this way again. And so, Mr. Leech changed. He learned to live off the forest floor, feeding on the nutrients that it provided. He grew strong and healthy, and the other creatures respected him for his change of heart. From then on, Mr. Leech was no longer a parasite but a productive member of the community, teaching all the creatures the importance of self-sufficiency and respect for others. Moral: it is never right to live off others. Learn to live self-sufficiently and respect the boundaries of others. ****